Hell yeah. Boom. What up? Okay. But okay. This is where we're at. So, waiting on Knuckles to show up, waiting on our BCs to show up. Put all the suspension together. Boom. As soon as I get the Knuckles, I can put the fucking rotors on. After that, slap the wheels back on. Should be good to go. Calipers are gonna get Cerakoted. Stay tuned. But yeah, so hopefully I get that done before the suspension stuff shows up, which I'm probably thinking I will, because I haven't even got shipping update on the Knuckles, or the coil or the BC coilovers yet. I got extreme lows. I understand they're made to order, so it takes like 6 to 8 weeks before they ship. So I'm on week 6, so next 2 weeks hopefully we hear something. But yeah, and then so we'll hopefully get those Cerakoted somewhat in time and manner for that. Then throw the brakes on, throw the wheels on. But yeah, today we're gonna fix this. And I'm not like a pro wirer, so I can't like say I'm gonna solder these and make it like more high tech or anything like that. But what I can do is see. I don't know if you can see that. Some of these are just too small. I think a lot of them are. So like the wires aren't like making good connection, and it's like missing on wattage or resistance or some bullshit, some electrical term. So I got. Where the fuck did I put it? Some thicker gauge wire, and I got some butt connectors somewhere. Either way, I got butt connectors for these, for this size wire, 16 gauge. So we'll be able to make sure we can make proper connections. So we'll just run fresh wire. We'll chop them all right behind the connection, get a nice pretty strip. We'll do one at a time. We'll probably try to stretch it to where it can run somewhat neat and not be as messy as this. Yeah, we'll do one at a time. All of them are heat shrink, so we'll be able to hit it with the lighter, seal it up, and then I'll tape it all together. Like I'll tape each individual one like around it to like just give an extra layer of seal, and then I'll tape them together as a loom tight, and then we're gonna replace this loom because it starts falling apart here at the Y. So I'm gonna replace the top part because that's kind of just leaning on like a radiator mount, and it's metal. I don't want it to wear through on accident, so I think I can get it to line up where it's sitting right at my fingernail, like that. I can run it back from here all the way on top, and then we're gonna lose that connector port, but we're gonna take this off. We're gonna cut it back there to where it's stopped falling apart, and we're gonna get a clean connection on it. But yeah, I'll get you set up and. Oh, okay. Also, so here's our loom. We got a big grip of it, so we'll use this to replace that. Our nice steel butt connectors. Boom, boom. A roll of electrical tape. And then the new hood shock, because this one works. It's got resistance on it. But this one, they're pretty limp. So, and it doesn't hold the hood up, and I ate the hood to the dome once. So, I'm keeping the hood on the car. So, we're gonna replace this one today too. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hit it with a good old fashioned hammer. You get a Okay, maybe brute force isn't. Maybe brute force isn't the trick. Maybe it is, but. Ow! Got it. I think it won though. That fucking hurt. Fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sick one. I don't know if you can see this side, but. Dude, we're fast as fuck today with this bullshit. Fuck, that one's probably gonna go out soon comparatively to that. Fuck. Oh yeah, I bet. Let's do this. Cool. So, got all these rewired and they're all sealed. So now, I'm gonna start taping them all up. I'm probably gonna start from like this side, I'll push them back and then I'll feed the tape through and I'll tape them one by one and then I'll fucking try to somewhat tape them together and do a loom. Yeah. Here we go. All new wires. I got that to where it's not laying on that fucking brace anymore. All new loom. It's all tucked up. Hell yeah. I got video of it all too, so. I'm happy that looks much better than the fucking mess that it was.